Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to understand how leads are captured directly within the Office 24 by 7 leads panel and how these lead sources are identified. Knowing exactly where your leads come from is extremely important because it helps you measure campaign performance, understand which channels are delivering the best results, and ultimately improve your overall conversion rates. Let's walk through how this works inside the platform. To begin, navigate to the Sales module and open the Leads panel. This panel acts as a centralized workspace where you can view all your leads in one place, whether they were captured automatically from different channels or created manually by your team. As you can see here, each lead record displays important information at a glance, such as qualification status, stage, meta title, the page name from which the lead was captured, lead source, lead status, and more. This helps your sales team quickly understand the context of every lead. To identify the source of any lead, simply open the lead record details from the Leads panel. In the Details panel, you'll find the lead source field, which clearly indicates how the lead entered the system, whether it came from a website, call, WhatsApp, email, campaign, or manual entry. Admins can also configure custom lead sources based on specific business requirements. If you want to trace the lead's origin in even more detail, open the History tab and scroll to the very bottom. Here, you'll see exactly when and how the lead was created, along with every related activity. Reviewing this timeline helps your team identify the very first interaction channel, ensuring complete transparency and enabling data-driven decisions at every stage. We've already explained record history and record activity in detail in an earlier video, so if you haven't watched that yet, you can find the link in the card above and in the description. Now let's look at how Office 24 by 7 automatically captures leads from multiple channels. We'll start with one of the most common sources, websites and landing pages. Let's take the Office 24 by 7 website as an example. When a visitor fills out and submits a form on the website, a new lead record is created instantly in the Leads panel. These website submissions are captured by the CRM through form integration. Let me apply a filter on the lead source field to show you the leads that were captured from website landing pages. Here you can see multiple lead sources that originated from form submissions on the website. In many cases, a single website or landing page may contain multiple forms. To clearly identify where each lead came from, you can assign unique names to each form, and those names will appear as lead source values in the CRM. For example, leads captured from the Office 24 by 7 website forms are tracked with lead source names such as website, website HF, and website GT. You are free to name your forms and lead sources in a way that best suits your tracking and reporting needs. Once the form is submitted, the lead becomes instantly available to your sales team without any manual intervention. Next, let's look at leads that come in through incoming calls. You can display your virtual number across all your communication and marketing touchpoints, including your website, landing pages, social media profiles, digital ads, printed materials, and more. When a customer calls this virtual number, Office 24 by 7 automatically creates a new lead record in the Leads panel. If the caller's phone number already exists as a lead, the system intelligently updates the existing record and logs the latest call in the history. Let me adjust the filter to show leads that arrived through voice calls. Here, you'll notice that the lead source is captured as the virtual number. You can further customize and label this lead source as call or telephony for easier identification. If I now navigate to the Activity section and open the Calls tab, you can see all call-related information recorded here. This includes details such as call type, caller number, caller status, agent name, call duration, and even call recordings, provided recording is enabled. This gives your team complete visibility into every call interaction linked to a lead. Now let's move on to WhatsApp leads. You can enable WhatsApp chat options on your website, landing pages, meta campaigns, QR codes, or other marketing materials. As soon as a customer initiates a conversation with your business on WhatsApp, Office 24by7 automatically creates a lead and marks the source as WhatsApp. Let me apply a filter to show you these leads. As you can see here, the lead source is clearly marked as WhatsApp. All WhatsApp conversations and interactions are automatically logged in the history section, giving your sales and support teams full context before they follow up. Leads can also be captured through email. For example, when someone sends an email to an address like sales@office24by7.com, a new lead record is automatically created in the Leads panel. I'll apply a filter on the lead source to show email-based leads. Here you can see that the lead source is captured as Outlook email, making it easy to track email engagement and measure the effectiveness of your email outreach and follow-ups. The complete email conversation is also available in the History tab for reference. In addition to automated lead capture, Office 24by7 also allows admins and agents to create leads manually. At the top left of the Leads panel, click on the Add Record button. From here, you can enter the lead details and select an appropriate lead source, such as referral, discovery data, self, or partner. This ensures that even manually created leads are tracked consistently and accurately. Office 24by7 also makes it easy to generate reports and dashboards based on lead sources. For example, here's a report called Website Leads Report, which helps identify high-performing channels. Using these insights, you can optimize your marketing spend, improve lead quality, increase conversion rates, and build source-specific dashboards for better visibility. In the dashboards, you can create source-specific lead dashboards like these. By accurately capturing and identifying lead sources, your teams can prioritize high-quality leads, personalize follow-ups, reduce lead leakage, improve sales efficiency, and gain full visibility into the entire customer journey. That's how lead capturing and lead source identification work in the Leads panel in Office 24by7. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.